Hey everyone, today we are gonna talk about the basics of music. Well, we have divided the song fragments into chunks. These chunks are called musical notes, and they are 12. These 12 notes are on the piano with two different colors, black and white. The white notes are the ones we all know, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. But the black notes are the ones that nobody knows, and that's because they don't have a proper name. The name of each comes from the white notes. For example, this one is called C sharp or D flat. C sharp means it is one half step above C, and D flat means it is one half step below D. Okay, now we will see how to put the notes together to form a scale. The classic scale, and from which the piano is made, is the major or ionic. Why did I say that is the classic scale? Well, that is because we all know the C major scale, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Well, to form a major scale, it is necessary to know its code, and its code is this. Okay, now we need to understand that. The W means whole step. For example, there is a whole step between the C and the D. And the H means half step. For example, there's a half step between the C and the C sharp, as we saw previously. So, we will be located in the C to form the C major scale. Then, we must follow the code very well. W, we move to the D. W, we move to the E. H, we move to the F. W, we move to the G. W, we move to the A. W, we move to the B. And finally, a H. We move to the C again. Voila! Here you have the C major scale. This applies to all scales and modes. The last thing that I'm gonna teach you is the chords. The chords are three or more notes which are played at the same time. For example, here we have the C major chord. For each scale there are 7 chords. The chords of the C major scale are C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. Those chords are the main chords of the scale. Obviously, we can make more chords, but this is only the basic. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if I made a mistake, please leave a comment, because actually I speak Spanish. Well, I will see you in another video. See ya!